I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state.
Michael Villarreal for the state.
Donald Wilson for the defense.
All right, and are you Ms. Morales?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I need for you to speak up so that the court reporter
Yes,
can
Your
hear.
Honor.
All right, that's good. All right, defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Morales, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. State's proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family member, or household member.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Morales, I'm going to show you what's entitled court's admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargaining agreement? If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargaining agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. You will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargaining agreement in this cause number? Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, and household as a class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment for that offense is up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if a motion to revoke were filed and the court were to grant that motion, the court could sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, she has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I believe so.
Ms. Morales, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No one.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No one.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived the right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household. They're asking for a $750 fine, recommending deferred adjudication, and there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
I'm sorry. I didn't hear that.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand that to be the entirety of your agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the agreement?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 80 hours of community service restitution, no harmful or injurious contact with Valentina Vasquez, hostility and aggression control course, and no firearm possession. Did you understand those are recommendations from the
Yes,
state, and
Yes,
the
Your
court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, please.
All right, state, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state offers State's Exhibit Number 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Morales, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state was calling the right to remain silent?
Yes,
You need to speak up.
Yes,
Did
Your
you-
Honor.
Did you understand
Yes, Your Honor.
that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to the stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments or review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Out the court will defer finding the judge as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is an unfortunate situation where obviously my client and her mother have some issues that they have to resolve, but they, at this point, have no contact. And I think completing the deferred will be something that Ms. Morales can accomplish.
Pay close attention to this part. The family violence finding carries consequences far beyond today's hearing. We're talking about firearm restrictions, potential custody complications, and lasting legal impacts that can follow someone for years. The fine may be only $750, but the real cost can extend far beyond the courtroom.
Accomplish. And so we'd ask you to follow through.
All right, how old are you?
49.
I'm sorry,
49, Your Honor.
how many children do you have?
4, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
30, 29, 24, and 18.
And do any of them live with you?
One, my second oldest, Your Honor.
So the person you hit was your mother.
Yes.
So, do
Yes,
you
Your
live with your mother or no?
No, Your Honor.
What do you do for a living?
I'm not working right now, but my previous employer wants me to go back to work with that.
All right, just 1 second. This just needs to be clarified. Yeah. All right, and what were you doing?
Room attendant,
What is that?
housekeeping. I used to work at a hotel.
Okay, so housekeeping at a hotel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, how far did you go in school?
10th grade.
Is there a reason for that?
I had gotten pregnant with my oldest son.
Okay. All right. Is there any other questions from your side?
No, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to $750 fine. That'll be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. And state, is Ms. Vasquez aware of what's happening?
I don't know necessarily today, but we've extensively spoken to her in the past, and she's communicated us her desire for us to proceed with this plea, and specifically as it relates to no harmful injurious contact, that she wants to have contact with her daughter.
All right. 80 hours of community service restitution, 40 of those hours will be waived. If you provide proof of the COVID vaccination, I'm not requiring anyone to get the COVID vaccination, but if you obtain it, 40 of those hours will be waived. There's to be the hostility and aggression course. No firearm possession. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. With regards to Valentina Vasquez, you can have telephone contact only. And defense, I'll reconsider that once she's taken some of the aggression courses. So the probation, there's only to be telephone contact with Valentina Vasquez.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do random UAs, field visits, regular, one time per month. Rebecca, is there anything else she needs? I'm sorry, there should be regular reporting. And that can be by Zoom or in person. So what does that mean? That means that if for some reason you're not able to Zoom, or if probation doesn't allow Zooming, you're to do it in person, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Rebecca, is there anything else she needs?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from me, Ms. Morales, to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a question over what weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and so the record can be clear. My understanding, there was a warrant, so I'll ask that the warrant be recalled. All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Morales,
Yes, Your
you only
Honor.
get one mother in this life. No matter how the arguments get, you should not be hitting your mom. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You only get one. Don't be that person like the movie Imitation of Life. Have you seen Imitation of Life? Where she mistreated her mother, then her mother dies and she's running behind the carriage, screaming and crying. Don't be that person, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. And if she wants to send her mother flowers or something, she's more than free to do that. Just no in-person contact. Court is calling 2021 CR 4630W, State of Texas versus Catherine Ragsdale. If I can have parties announced for the record, please, for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense.
Isidro Montoya, one.
And are you Ms. Ragsdale?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Ragsdale, I'm going to show you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Catherine J. Ragsdale who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4630W for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on May 24th, 2021 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 19th day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that she cut the strap of her GPS device in violation of condition number 41.
All right, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
On or about the 19th day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that the defendant absconded from the Rosetta Key House in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And on or about the 21st day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that the defendant failed to report for a scheduled drug court hearing in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the remaining two.
Any
No
objections to the state's waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations of conditions 41, 41, and 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand? I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations of condition 41, 41, and 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 41, 41, and 41 true. Is there an agreement?
There's Judge West, and that you grant the motion, adjudicate or revoke, and sentence her to 180 days in the state jail.
Is that the agreement?
That's correct, Judge. In addition, Your Honor, she completed she went to the My Health program from 9/21/21 to 1/18/22.
All right, so here's my question. Why should I give her the minimum sentence when she cut off her monitor and she absconded from the program?
Judge, she wants to just put this behind her, Judge. And move
I mean, we
forward.
all do, but she absconded from the program and she cut off the monitor.
Yes, sir.
I'm not inclined to give her the minimum sentence for doing that. So I don't know if you all want to renegotiate, you can, but I'm not giving someone a minimum sentence for cutting off a monitor, absconding from a program, and now she wants